I am 17 kilometers into this run, and dead end, ikot tayo. And I'm running really slow and walking a lot kasi I really want to take it easy. Like most of the uphill na dinaanan ko today, I was walking. Pag naramdaman ko na medyo di na masakit, pero pag parang I'm putting in way too much effort just to get through the uphill, I remind myself na hey, slow down. And if you don't want to slow down, might as well just walk. Kasi sometimes running slow feels more difficult than running a good easy pace. Pero the goal for this run is to just run easy and feel easy. So yeah, tagal, grabe. I'm like 17 kilometers in, more than 2 hours na akong tumatakbo. But yeah, home stretch, just a little bit more, just making my way home. Let's freaking go, baby. Let's go.